Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike, and today I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you're looking to tap into the world of AI voiceovers and start making money, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of AI voice technology using a fantastic tool called Murf AI. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. Let's get started. Murf AI is a game changer in the world of AI voiceovers, and the opportunities it presents are limitless. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to explore new income streams, this is for you. I'm about to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Murf AI and turn your passion into profit. Step 1. Sign up and explore Murf AI. First things first, you need to sign up on the Murf AI website. It's quick, easy, and they offer a free trial to get you started. Once you're in, take some time to explore the platform, get familiar with its features, and understand what it can do. There are plenty of tutorials and resources to help you along the way. Step 2. Create your voice profile. Now, it's time to create your unique voice profile. You can customize the tone, pitch, and style of the AI voice to match your preferences. Make sure it sounds just the way you want it after all. This voice will represent you in your projects. Step 3. Start recording and generating voiceovers. With your voice profile set up, you can start generating voiceovers. You can input scripts, and Murf AI will bring them to life with your customized voice. It's that simple. Whether you need narration, advertisements, or even audiobooks, Murf AI has got you covered. Step 4. Quality assurance. After generating a voiceover, make sure to listen and review the content to ensure it meets your standards. You can edit the voiceover and make adjustments within the Murf AI platform, so your final product is perfect. Step 5. Monetize your voiceovers. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can monetize your voiceovers in various ways. Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even create your own website to attract clients. Businesses and content creators are always looking for professional-sounding voiceovers, and now you can provide them with ease. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to start making money with AI voiceovers using Murf AI. The possibilities are endless, and with some creativity and dedication, you can turn this into a lucrative income stream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.